Celebrity transformations always look amazing, and just seeing your favorite movie star on the news can inspire you to take action and start losing weight. But more often than not, doing what superstars do doesn't work for most of us. So, here's why celebrity fitness advice is bad. Number 1, there are millions of dollars on the line. Blockbuster movies are big business. The most in-demand stars earn millions of dollars per movie, and often their roles require them to be in great shape. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is famously one of Hollywood's highest-paid actors, earning up to $20 million for starring in blockbusters like Black Adam and Jumanji. But he couldn't play many of these parts without his signature ripped physique. Since there's a lot of money on the line, actors are highly motivated to stick to a very restrictive diet or an extreme exercise regimen. But most of us don't earn millions to shed a few pounds, and that's why we find it impossible to follow the same strict celebrity weight loss plans. But fortunately, we can still get in shape with more realistic diets and fitness plans. Number 2, it's unsustainable. Celebrity transformations involve unbelievably strict diets and grueling workout programs. Huge movie stars like Hugh Jackman and Chris Hemsworth have said that the key to their screen-ready physique is a diet of plain vegetables and lean protein, plus up to 6 hours of exercise each day. But while celebrities can maintain this lifestyle to shoot and promote their new movie, it's impossible to keep it up long-term. In fact, once they finish filming, most actors slip back into a much more normal physique. Gerard Butler, well known for his role in the 300 movies, said he always crashed and slacked off as soon as he finished filming. So if you want to get and stay in shape, you're better off following a realistic diet and a sustainable exercise plan. Number 3, it's expensive. Celebrity body transformations are a team effort. When actors need to lose weight or bulk up for a role, they'll often have their studio pay for expensive personal trainers, doctors, nutritionists, chefs, and other consultants to help them. Rob McElhenney, who plays Mac in It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia, famously went from having a beer belly to being ripped. But he said he couldn't have done it without a personal chef, a doctor to monitor his health, and celebrity trainers, all paid for by the studio. Of course, this kind of support isn't available to most of us, so it's a good idea not to base your weight loss expectations on the celebrity stories you see online. Number 4, it crashes your self-esteem. Wanting to improve your health and fitness is an amazing life goal, and sometimes it can be helpful to use celebrity transformations as inspiration. But constantly comparing yourself to celebrities and movie stars on social media can damage your mental health and crash your self-confidence. We all want our bodies to look like the most attractive Hollywood stars, but that is unrealistic for most of us. Social media posts usually go through a lot of editing, so the celebrities you're watching may not even have the bodies you see on your Instagram feed. And the great news is that you don't need to look like a movie star to be attractive. So don't waste time comparing yourself to unrealistic standards. Number 5, it's not healthy. Celebrities undergoing fast and drastic transformations can look great for a movie role, but crash diets and rapid weight loss can seriously damage health and longevity. That's not always important for movie stars, since they train to look a certain way, not to be healthy. But if you care about your health, it's best to avoid what they do. After all, there's a lot more to life than aesthetics. Eating highly restrictive or very low-calorie diets means you are missing some key nutrients you need for good health. Letting your body fat get too low can cause hormone imbalances and weaken your immune system. Celebrities find this out the hard way, and they often regret putting their bodies under such pressure. Zac Efron had to get incredibly lean for his role in Baywatch, and he said his diet caused so many health issues that he ended up developing depression and insomnia. After filming, his body and mind were so affected that it took him 6 months to bounce back from those issues. If you want to lose weight while staying healthy, dietitians and fitness experts recommend staying away from crash diets and taking the time you need. It'll pay off in the long term. Number 6, they get regular checkups. Changing your diet and exercise program comes with very little risk. But celebrity crash diets and extreme workouts pose many potential dangers. That's why movie star transformations are closely supervised by a team of world-leading experts and consultants. This helps them progress quickly, as regular checkups make it easy to track what is and isn't working. It also reduces the risk of picking up injuries, health issues, or making mistakes that could set the journey back. Most of us don't have the luxury of constant monitoring, so we shouldn't expect to move as quickly toward our fitness goals, and we should be mindful of the risks of quick transformations. Number 7. They take substances. When we see our favorite movie stars get in great shape for a role, we end up feeling inspired to lose weight. But Hollywood actors aren't always honest about how they get their results. While this isn't true of everyone, many use steroids to put on a lot of muscle mass or shed an astounding amount of body fat in a very short time. And steroids aren't the only option. From hunger suppressants to pharmaceutical-grade fat burners, there are substances for every fitness goal. Unfortunately, taking performance enhancers comes at a cost, including severe heart problems and emotional issues such as anger and depression. And the risks are increased if the substances aren't taken under medical supervision. So if you want to get in shape safely and healthily, it's best not to follow the lead of celebrities. Number 8. They're not professionals. It's only natural to idolize actors and celebrities for their impressive talents, but just because they've achieved success on stage, it doesn't mean they know anything about health and fitness. Perhaps the most important reason not to follow what celebrities tell you is that they're not health and fitness professionals. That means they're not qualified to give you advice. In fact, celebrities are often criticized for promoting outdated, ineffective, and pseudoscientific practices. For example, Beyoncé claims she slimmed down by following the Master Cleanse diet, which consists of only lemonade, salt water, and laxative tea. But experts called out the diet as snake oil, saying there's no evidence it works and no scientific indication that our bodies need to cleanse more than they already do through our organs. So when looking for fitness advice, it's best to avoid celebrities and follow what your doctor and other qualified professionals tell you. Number 9. It's their job to look great. For many celebrities, looking great is a big part of the job. If they're cast in a superhero movie or playing an attractive character, they need to stay in amazing shape. That's why they can dedicate multiple hours every single day to training and healthy eating. But that doesn't work for most of us since we have full-time jobs, families to look after, food to cook, chores to do, and many other responsibilities. No wonder celebrity fitness advice is so hard to follow. But if you choose a diet and exercise routine that fits your own lifestyle, it'll be much easier to make progress. If you are thinking about losing weight, click here to learn 13 things you must know before you start your weight loss journey. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button below and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.